Welcome back to SysTech, the place where tech bugs tremble and Linux users rise victorious. Today, we're tackling a strange crash issue with GNOME Calculator on KDE Plasma. No spoilers yet, but let's just say it involves a secret IMF connection and an HTTP/2 meltdown. So grab your seat, tighten your brain belt, and let's solve this like the pros we are. In this tutorial, we will investigate and resolve a crash issue with GNOME Calculator on KDE Plasma. The calculator fails to launch due to an error related to currency conversion rates. We'll reproduce the issue, identify the exact error, trace it in logs, apply a fix, and confirm resolution. Let's begin by launching the calculator from the application menu. Click on the launcher. Type calculator and open the GNOME Calculator. In this case, the calculator crashes moments after opening. Let's now reproduce this from the terminal and observe the error directly. Open a terminal window. Type GNOME Calculator. This time, we can clearly see an error in the terminal. GNOME Calculator, 6808 warning, 10 hours 12 minutes and 35.725 seconds, currency provider .vala, 161, couldn't download IMF currency rate file, HTTP/2 error, internal_error. This message indicates that the calculator is trying to fetch currency rates from the IMF, and it's failing. That failure is causing the entire app to crash. Now let's check the same error from system logs to confirm. In the terminal, type journal/usr/bin/GNOME Calculator f. Now launch the calculator again in a second terminal or from GUI. Watch for the same HTTP/2 internal_error in the logs. This confirms the error is persistent and caused by the background currency update process. To fix this, we will disable the currency refresh mechanism in the calculator's configuration. In the terminal, type the following command: conf write/org/gnome/calculator/refresh interval 0. This sets the update interval to 0, effectively disabling the automatic IMF currency updates. Now let's ensure the app is not still running in the background. Type kill GNOME Calculator. Now, relaunch the calculator from the terminal. GNOME Calculator. Success, the calculator launches without errors or crashes. Let's confirm again by opening it from the GUI. Click on the application launcher, type calculator, and open it. Once again, it opens perfectly, no crash, no error. Let's summarize the steps. We reproduced the crash from GUI and terminal. We identified the exact error message, an IMF currency file download failure. We verified the same issue in journal logs. We disabled the automatic currency update using conf. And finally, we confirmed the fix by successfully launching the app. This is how we turn a silent crash into a solved case, with precision diagnostics and targeted action. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to SysTech, where even basic calculators get advanced treatment. Until next time, stay curious, stay focused, and always debug like a pro.